Hi, welcome on my channel Decoupage and More. In the program of today, we will show you how to make a transparent crackle on a blue bottle of glass to keep the color, and after we will paint it in gold. I hope you like it. Today we will crackle a bottle, and we choose the blue one because the crackle we use today is transparent, which helps us to keep the original color, blue, of the bottle. The first thing we have to do is clean the bottle with some alcohol to remove possible dust, grease or other things. So it prevents use that the crackle sticks well on the bottle. Once we cleaned it, we will take some band tape. You can buy it in any paint shop. And we will do it half or so that we can see on half. So you can see later the effects of the crackle. Once we have the tape on the bottle, what we do, we make step one. Step one is only a base. What will say that? You have to cover everything. If you leave some piece without step one, possible that it won't crackle on that place. So you give a good base. The way to put it on is very simply. You have to make short strikes. It has to be brilliant.
Esto ya está terminado.
So this is done. The first step. Remember, it's only a base. It don't have to be drops. It mustn't have strikes to see. It has to be fully smooth. Now we will dry it with a hairdryer to accelerate the work. Okay, it's done. It's enough, around 30-40 seconds. Now we have to make the bottle cool again. In the meanwhile, we clean the brush. And we have to keep it very dry. If you want a bigger crackle, you can use a bigger brush, like the one I have. The crackle will be bigger then. But you can use this one as well. And it depends how much you put on it on the step 2. More you put, bigger will be the crackle. So we take step 2. From the step 2, you always use more than number 1, because I remember the first is a base. This one, yes, you have to put more than the base. And you have to see it widely. Short strikes, and not make with the pencil, but just put it on the bottle. Not painting, put it on.
Pues nada, vamos a ello. Y así.
So you can see So we make the whole bottle with the marked short tips. This craculate is not the same like the first step. You can't accelerate with the hairdryer. There are crackles, you can do it. With the second step, you can use the hairdryer, but it's not a transparent one. It won't be like this one we use today. This crackle you can use for wood, for iron, for glass. Well, you want, but it must be clean and well treated. After, when it is crackled, you have to wait around 3 hours. We will paint it with gold. You can see then the contrast from blue. And remember, so you can see, you have to put a lot of it, but it can't drip. It must be white, so that the crackle will be big. And you have to have always on your brush very important, when you work on it, you can't stay without the product on your brush. You have to have always step 2, because if not, the crackle won't be nice. So if you put it on, right again, take the products and go again to the bottle. Short pincers. And so you see, take again from the products. And don't stay without. Okay, this is done. And now what we have to do is wait around 2-3 hours, because the process has to do it by itself. We see you.